Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of the ChatGPT Image API. In order to do so, here we are at openai.com, and according to their website, they introduced the image generation in ChatGPT last month, which is April. And it quickly became one of the most popular features. Over 130 million users around the world created more than 700 million images in just the first week. Today, we're bringing the natively multimodal model that powers this experience in ChatGPT to the API, enabling developers and businesses to easily integrate high-quality, professional-grade image generation directly into their own tools and platforms. The model's versatility allows it to create images across diverse styles, faithfully follow custom guidelines, leverage world knowledge, and accurately render text, unlocking countless practical applications across multiple domains. And you can come here, see for yourself some of the examples. Having done a little bit of research on this, now first off, if you head up to the top here, you can see that you have the option to try it in the playground. And if we head over to the playground, then you will see that you are going to need to add a payment method if you're going to proceed with that. But let's check in with Cider AI in order to do a review of the ChatGPT Image API. And according to Cider, the ChatGPT Image API, which is recently integrated into the OpenAI API, allows for image generation within custom tools and platforms. However, some users have reported a decline in image quality or functionality, suggesting potential adjustments or limitations. While the API was performing well initially, there are now concerns about it being nerfed. This could be impacting the user experience and its usefulness. The integration of image generation capabilities is a significant step, but ongoing performance and consistency are critical for its long-term adoption. So we can imagine that perhaps this is going to improve in a future update, but for now, it does seem as though the API does need some work, but you can still use it and get some decent results. But just be aware that some people have reported not the best experience. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.